Welcome to the vibrant and cosmopolitan city of Oslo, where Scandinavian charm meets modern sophistication. Nestled amidst breathtaking fjords and surrounded by lush greenery, Oslo offers a unique blend of natural wonders and urban delights. And when it comes to finding the perfect place to stay, this Norwegian gem boasts an array of exceptional hotels that will elevate your experience to new heights. From sleek and contemporary design hotels in the heart of the city to cozy boutique retreats tucked away in charming neighborhoods, we've curated a list of the 10 best hotels to ensure your stay in Oslo is nothing short of extraordinary. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 10. Amerikalinjen. Amerikalinjen is an effortlessly cool hotel that offers a perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment. Whether you want to unwind or join in the fun, this hotel has it all. Sip on your new favorite drink at the New York-inspired Pier 42 bars, or immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of Gustav Club, where live jazz music sets the mood. Comedy nights in both Norwegian and English will leave you in stitches. And don't miss the chance to savor freshly baked bagels at the Little Bakery or indulge in international flavors with a Norwegian touch at Atlas Brasserie. Oh, and make sure you take a tranquil break in Haven, their courtyard oasis, surrounded by lush greenery. And if you feel like staying in, just make a floating bartender request, and a skilled mixologist will arrive at your door with a cabinet of spirits, ready to create your desired concoction. Number 9. Hotel Bristol. Hotel Bristol is a unique and opulent haven that promises to leave you awestruck. Luxuriate in their sumptuous standard rooms, complete with lavish beds, state-of-the-art Bose music systems, and indulgent L'Occitane toiletries. For an extra special experience, the suites, named after famous European guests, offer the pinnacle of elegance. Indulge in traditional Norwegian cuisine at Bristol Grill, enjoy top-notch drinks at Bristol Bar, and treat yourself to a fancy afternoon tea at Vinterhaven and Bibliotekbæren. With its unashamed luxury and decadence, Hotel Bristol is a true gem. Number 8. Scandic Vulkan. Scandic Vulkan is a shining example of sustainable urban regeneration in the heart of Oslo. Powered by geothermal energy and offering e-car charging points, this eco-friendly hotel is a haven for environmentally conscious travelers. But don't let the exterior fool you. Inside, you'll find stylish rooms with contemporary designs, floor-to-ceiling windows boasting sensational city views, and vibrant wall murals. And when hunger strikes, the adjacent Mathalan food court tempts you with an array of cafes, delis, and specialty shops. Number 7. Thon Hotel Rosenkrantz. The Thon Hotel Rosenkrantz takes us to where energy and art collide to create a dazzling design hotel. From the vibrant colors and mosaic artwork to the multicolored, artsy guest rooms, this hotel is a feast for the eyes. Start your day with a decadent Norwegian breakfast buffet and indulge in sustainable dishes with creative presentation at Brasserie Paleo. And if you need to work off those delicious treats, the well-equipped gym is at your disposal. Throughout the day, complimentary coffee in the lobby will keep you going. Number 6. Hotel Christiania Teater. Hotel Christiania Teater is a boutique hotel that seamlessly blends modern comforts with over a century of history. Set in a listed building that was once a theater and office, this hotel offers a unique experience for its guests. The rooms are beautifully decorated with luxurious wallpapers, soft fabrics, and deluxe color palettes that exude elegance. Even the most basic rooms feature modern amenities like TVs, minibars, Wi-Fi access, and rainwater showers in the bathrooms. And for an extra touch of luxury, upgrade to one of the suites on the top floors, where you'll enjoy stunning views and even more decadent design. Don't forget to visit the wine bar for an extensive selection of wines and indulge in gourmet pizzas at restaurant Teater. It's worth noting that Hotel Christiania Teater is completely cash-free, so make sure to have your debit or credit card handy. Number 5. Hotel Continental, Oslo. Hotel Continental is a 5-star hotel that has been run by the same family for 4 generations. This extravagant and unique hotel boasts a remarkable art collection, a fascinating history, and an elegant atmosphere. With 5 bars and restaurants to choose from, your taste buds are in for a treat. Each of the 151 rooms at Hotel Continental is entirely unique and highly acclaimed for its quality furnishings, stunning decor, and hand-selected artwork. The standard double room offers a comfortable stay with modern amenities, including a smart TV, Nespresso coffee machine, and a contemporary bathroom with molten brown toiletries. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider booking the Bowman Suite on the 8th floor, complete with a private balcony and breathtaking views. Number 4. Clarion Hotel The Hub. Located just steps away from the central station, Clarion Hotel The Hub is easily accessible. This massive hotel features a staggering 810 guest rooms, each equipped with innovative technology such as smart TVs, coffee machines, and high-speed Wi-Fi. The rooms also offer luxury bedding and rituals toiletries to ensure a comfortable and indulgent stay. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the hotel's rooftop, where you'll find Grow Hub, the largest rooftop garden and field in the Nordics. And if you're feeling hungry, Norda and Hub Bar offer delicious options, including rooftop veggies and Oslo raw cakes. Afternoon Partey is the perfect spot to enjoy organic tea and indulge in Oslo's culinary delights. Number 3. Grand Hotel Oslo. Positioned on Karl Johan Street, right in the heart of the city, this hotel is surrounded by endless activities, dining options, and landmarks. The rooms at the Grand Hotel are simply incredible, with spacious layouts, chic designs, and a range of amenities. Even the most basic rooms are equipped with king-size beds, sofa beds, Nespresso machines, and stunning views of either the street or the courtyard. But for an unforgettable experience, I would recommend booking one of their suites. Each suite is uniquely designed and offers luxurious extras, such as dining rooms with designer furniture, floor-to-ceiling windows, and rooftop terraces. Start your day with a hearty breakfast at the historic Grand Café, and treat yourself to a continental menu with a Nordic twist at Palmen Restaurant. For a more casual experience, Othilia offers bar-style food and fine wines. And if you're looking for a stunning view, head up to 8, the rooftop bar, and enjoy a cocktail while taking in the breathtaking vistas. Number 2. Thon Hotel Cecil. Thon Hotel Cecil is an excellent choice for those who want to be in the heart of downtown Oslo. With its central location, you'll have easy access to a wide range of attractions, cafes, restaurants, stores, museums, galleries, and landmarks. Thon Hotel Cecil offers a fantastic selection of rooms, ranging from standard doubles to lavish suites. Whichever room you choose, you can expect ultra-comfortable beds, large smart TVs, and spacious modern bathrooms with premium toiletries. And if you're celebrating a special occasion, treat yourself to one of their suites, featuring views over Oslo's main street, stylish lounge areas, and Nespresso coffee machines. During your stay, you can enjoy unlimited hot drinks in the lobby, and a generous breakfast buffet is served each morning. On Monday through Thursday evenings, you can indulge in a delicious a la carte dinner. Number 1. The Thief. Located in the fashionable neighborhood of Tjuvholmen, right on the water's edge, this hotel immerses you in a world of contemporary art, stylish rooms, and culinary delights. Inside The Thief, you'll find walls adorned with contemporary artwork, rooms appointed with designer furniture, and a top-end restaurant that prides itself on using fresh, seasonal, and local ingredients. To unwind, head to the Thief Spa, where you can take a swim in the cove-like pool area, relax in a Turkish hammam, or pamper yourself with a Moroccan clay treatment. Don't forget to visit the exclusive Thief Bar, open only to adults age 20 and up, where award-winning bartenders will mix you signature cocktails. And if you're visiting during the winter, find a cozy spot by the fire and enjoy the plush armchairs. The Thief offers a truly unique and unforgettable experience for its guests. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.